Has your smartphone turned into your worst nightmare with its sluggishness and a battery that lasts only a moment? Are you tired of deleting photos and apps just to make space for one more update? What if I told you that you could give your old Pocket Companion a full 180-degree turn with just a few simple tweaks? Today, we're not talking about spending a fortune, but revitalizing what you already have. Stay with us, because you're about to discover how to transform your device into something you'll hardly recognize, all in a matter of minutes. In today's digital world, we're sold the idea that we need the latest and greatest to keep up. But is that really the case? Think about the times that phone in your pocket has let you down right when you needed it most. Frustrating sluggishness, apps closing for no reason, and a battery that seems to play hide and seek with its charge. It seems there's always something new to learn, something more to pay for. But today, we break those rules. We're going against the current and showing you how you can overcome these challenges with what you already have. Get ready to rediscover your mobile and say goodbye to frustration. It's time to take control and stop being a spectator in the technology race. You're just a few steps away from unleashing the true potential of that device in your hand. We start with clearing the cache. Because just as you wouldn't leave leftovers lying around in your kitchen, you shouldn't allow old data to pile up on your phone. This is a quick and easy trick, but with an immediate impact you'll notice. Cache cleaning can be found within the Settings app, under Storage and Memory. Just follow the steps, and you'll have it ready in no time. Now, let me tell you about animations. You might not know this, but every time you return to the main menu or open an app, your phone performs a little dance of animations. They look good, but they consume precious resources. To disable them or reduce their motion, you just have to go into Settings and select About Phone or Accessibility if you have iOS. This will reduce the transition animations when opening and closing apps and moving through certain user interface elements. And if you think you've seen it all, wait until we adjust the background apps. Those are the ones that keep running even though you don't see them. And yes, they also eat up your speed. Set up your mobile so these apps take a break, thereby freeing up more power for what you really want to do. With these tricks, your mobile will not only be faster, but it will be like having a new ally in your day-to-day life. And the best part is that what I'm telling you isn't magic, nor does it require you to be a tech guru. These are simple, effective steps for everyone. The battery life of your mobile doesn't have to be a mystery or a daily source of anxiety. With a few strategic changes, we can keep that energy bar strong all day long. We start with the screen brightness. This is an energy glutton we can tame. Automatically adjusting the brightness or manually reducing it will not only save your eyes, but also those precious battery percentages. Now, let's talk about the vampire apps that suck the life out of your mobile even when you're not using them. Identify them and close them or adjust their settings so they don't update in the background more than necessary. Power saving mode is another unsung hero in this story. Some users avoid it thinking it will limit their phones too much. But the truth is it can be a lifesaver without compromising essential functionality. And here comes a trick many forget, the charging cycle. Keeping your mobile plugged in all night, every day, is not the pajama party your battery desires. The charging cycle of a battery refers to the way we charge our devices, and it can have a significant impact on the battery's longevity over time. Here are some best practices to keep your battery in good shape. Partial charges. It's better to keep your mobile's battery between 20% and 80% of its capacity most of the time. Avoid complete discharges. Letting your battery drain completely often can accelerate battery degradation. Charge at intervals. If you can, charge your phone a bit throughout the day when you have the chance, instead of doing one big overnight charge. Keep the battery cool. Lithium-ion batteries also degrade faster if kept at high temperatures, so try to avoid exposing your mobile to direct sunlight or excessive heat. Finally, it's time to take inventory of your settings. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth, location. If you don't need them, turn them off. It makes no sense for your phone to constantly search for connections it's not going to use. A simple gesture can add hours to your mobile day. With these tactics, maximizing your mobile's battery will not just be a wish, but a tangible reality. Get ready to stop desperately searching for outlets and start enjoying the freedom that comes with a long-lasting battery. The frustration of running out of storage space on your mobile is real, especially when you're about to capture an important moment or download a useful app. But before you think about buying a new device with more space, there are several tricks you can employ to expand the storage of your current mobile. First, let's do a deep clean. Review your photos and videos. Those memories are precious. But do you really need all those duplicate or blurry shots? Photo cleaning tools can help you identify and eliminate duplicates or low-quality images, freeing up valuable space right away. Next, let's talk about your apps. Often, we accumulate apps we rarely use. Uninstalling these forgotten apps can release a surprising amount of space. Also, consider deleting the data and cache of apps you use but store a lot of unnecessary information.
It's time to energize our tech community. If this journey through innovation is inspiring you, hit the like button and share your thoughts in a comment below. Want more content like this? Subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you think someone else should see it, spread the word and share it with that person who'd love this content. Thank you for being the driving force of this channel. Now, let's continue with the video.
Now, let's turn our attention to the cloud. Cloud storage services are your allies in freeing up physical space on your device. Move photos, videos, and important documents to the cloud. Many of these services offer a generous amount of free storage and affordable options if you need more space. For those with devices that allow it, physical expansion via SD cards is a direct and effective option. These cards are relatively inexpensive and can add a significant amount of storage space. You can move apps, photos, and other media to the SD card to free up the internal storage of your mobile. Finally, review your music and podcast files. With the popularity of streaming services, you might not need to have all those files taking up space on your device. Consider relying more on these services and keeping only essential downloads. Implementing these changes will not only expand the available storage on your mobile, but also improve its performance. Keeping your device organized and free of digital clutter allows you to enjoy your technology more without the constant need to manage storage space. Though it might seem like you need the latest smartphone to capture stunning photos, there are several ways to significantly improve the quality of photos with your current mobile. Let's dive into how to get the most out of the camera you already have. First, cleaning. It might sound basic, but a clean lens makes a big difference. Using a soft, dry cloth to clean your camera lens can prevent blurry photos and ensure your images are clear and sharp. Next, explore camera apps. The market is full of apps designed to enhance the mobile photography experience. These apps offer advanced manual controls, improved image processing, and creative effects you won't find in your phone's default camera app. Experiment with a few to find which one best suits your style. Don't underestimate the power of composition. Learning basic composition rules, like the rule of thirds, can transform your photos from simple to spectacular. Many camera apps allow you to activate a grid that helps you align your subjects and create a more attractive composition. Lighting is key. The best camera is the one that can make the most of the available light. Practice photography in different lighting conditions and learn how the direction and quality of light affect your photos. In many cases, natural light can be your best ally. Also, consider using accessories. Although this may require a small investment, there are accessories like external lenses that can be attached to your phone to offer new angles and capabilities, such as fisheye, macro, or wide angle. Finally, don't forget about post-processing. Even an average photo can be transformed into a masterpiece with the right editing tools. Learn to use photo editing apps to adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, and more. The key is moderation to keep your photos looking natural and not overprocessed. Following these tips, you can elevate the quality of your mobile photos without the need to purchase a new device. With a bit of knowledge and creativity, your current mobile is more powerful than you think. Keeping your mobile updated is crucial, not just for security, but also for overall performance and battery efficiency. Every operating system update brings improvements, bug fixes, and sometimes new functionalities that can make your device faster and more efficient. Here's how to make the most of it. System updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Updates provide important security patches and performance improvements. In Settings, look for the Software Updates section and check if any are available. Remember, it's best to do these updates at night or when you don't need to use your mobile, as they can take a while. Update apps. Apps also receive updates regularly for similar reasons. Developers optimize their apps to use fewer resources and run more smoothly. Keep your apps updated from the corresponding app store, and consider enabling automatic updates to ensure you're always using the latest versions. Clean or reinstall apps. Sometimes, an app may start to malfunction after an update. If this happens, try clearing the app's cache or data. If the problem persists, a reinstall might be necessary. This ensures you're using the most optimized version of the app. Your mobile is an incredibly versatile tool, capable of much more than you might be using it for right now. Here are some ideas to get the most out of it. Launchers and themes. Personalization might not seem like a trick to improve performance, but changing your mobile's launcher or theme can make it feel new and more agile. Many launchers offer customization and system management options that can enhance your device's accessibility and efficiency. New uses. Transform your old mobile into a home security camera, a universal remote control, or even a video game console for emulators. Dedicated apps exist to turn devices into entirely new tools. This not only gives your mobile a second life, but also saves you money on buying new gadgets for those specific purposes. Task automation. Apps like Ift or Tasker allow you to automate daily tasks, making your mobile even smarter. From adjusting the volume based on your location to sending automatic messages under certain conditions, automation can make your daily life much easier and more efficient. By implementing these tricks, you'll not only extend the lifespan and functionality of your mobile, but you'll also enjoy a richer and more personalized experience. Explore these possibilities and see how much more your device has to offer. We've journeyed together through a path filled with tricks and tips to breathe new life into that faithful pocket companion, your mobile. From speeding it up to expanding its storage, enhancing the camera, updating it, and customizing it, we've shown that you don't always need the latest technology to enjoy a top-notch experience. But we don't want the conversation to end here. Do you have any tricks up your sleeve that we haven't mentioned? Or perhaps you've put some of our advice into practice and want to share the results. Feel free to leave your comment below. We love reading your experiences and learning together. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that will help you get the most out of the technology around you, without the need to break the bank. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for being with us. Keep experimenting, learning, and above all, enjoying technology. See you in the next video.